DJM TV. Welcome to DJM TV News Update for the week. I am Latifa. And if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV and also click on the notification bell for more superb videos.
Sorry, madam, what happened to you?
I pick a drop. I pick a drop from my house. I stay in Use Zone 3, Tamale Street number 10. I'm going to Kado to see a friend of mine. So when I pick a drop, the drop now stop. Actually, I don't know where he stopped. It's this man that come and rescues me. He choke me with knife. He hold gun. So I was begging him, please don't kill me, don't kill me. I was having 8,500. He carry it. He carry my phone. So it's this man now. He now pick it.
Who assaulted you?
It's a lady I don't know. She said the issue there.
What happened?
There was a little argument. A car stopped in front of me and we had an argument in my car, in front of the car. This lady came from nowhere beside me and started attacking me. I told her, look, this is not a problem. The person I'm having the issue with is right in front of me. So go into your car.
Is he a man?
It's a girl.
Okay.
And from nowhere we had an argument and we were kind of like arguing on how to move because of the roadblocks. Because I went to see my uncle here in Guaripa and my battery is low. I can't even call him to tell him what is happening. Only for this girl to come out from nowhere with her boyfriend, which they are in the station right now, and they give me this heat on my eyes.
So the case is now at the Guaripa police station?
Yeah, it's in the police station right now.
So the boyfriend and the girl are all there together?
Yeah.
They assaulted you for just argument?
For argument. For argument. My husband is not aware of it. My uncle that I went to see because I was just coming out from my uncle's house is not even aware of it. My battery is low. I'm looking for a way to reach all of them.
Sorry.
My husband and my uncle.
Sorry.
To let them know what just happened immediately after leaving the house. This was what I got.
Sorry.
For not just listening because I told the girl to stay out of this problem. She doesn't know what is in front of me. So because she said I'm insulting, I said of course I will insult you because you're fighting for no just reason. And from nowhere I had a blow. From the other side I got another blow. Just like that, and the stupid boyfriend was there. A boyfriend for that matter was there. And now they are busy. I don't know what they are even saying there. Though we are on our way to the hospital right now to work on it and then look for how to get to my husband and my uncle.
That's the news update for the week. And if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV and also click on the notification bell. I remain Latifa. DJM TV.